you'll be getting the L-shaped living and dining area. That is the part of the dining area, the kitchen area. This is a spacious room in the house with a bed space. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at TVS Auralis project, which is located in Satnur on Tanisandra main road in North Bangalore. And today we are here to check out the 3 BHK model flat. Additionally, this project is being developed by TVS Emerald. But before moving further, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let me show you the surrounding of the project. So now we are here at the marketing office and this is the marketing office of TVS Auralis project. And if you want to check out the actual land parcel, so the land, for that you need to stay tuned until the end and we'll be showing you the land parcel. Now let's discuss about the project overview with the help of this 3D model. So this project is being constructed on total 3.73 acres of land parcel with 6 towers and all, with basement, ground plus 12 floors, having 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and this project has world-class amenities like of, as you can check out here is the swimming pool with clubhouse. All the indoor games are there in the clubhouse with multi-purpose court, football court, party lawn, jogging track and many more. Now coming to the location part, and this project is located on Tanisandra main road in Satnur, North Bangalore. And let me tell you one thing, that basically their marketing office is situated just 300 meters away from the land parcel. And about the further connectivity and location of the project. So Reva University is just 250 meters from the project. And Bhartiya Mall is 3 kilometers away from the location of the project. So this is your 3 BHK of 1802 square feet super built up area. Let's have a look at it. So once you enter, on the main entrance you'll be getting the digital door lock for the security purpose. And for privacy, this is your foyer area. And once you enter, you'll be getting the L-shaped living and dining area. That is the part of the dining area. And over here you can set your sofa set and couches in the part of living area exactly in front of the TV unit. And now it has attached balcony to it with wooden finishing anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and this balcony is 3-side covered. Now moving further towards your dining area. So this part of the house over here, you can utilize it as a dining area and you can set your dining table over here. Isn't it spacious? And now let's move further towards your kitchen area. So once you enter your passage area, this side is the kitchen area. And over here you can check out the beautiful interior work with the parallel fitting platforms. Here they are providing the provision for chimney, and even the provision for the washing machine and the dishwasher is in the utility area. So this is the utility area with anti-skid wooden finishing flooring and the half wall structure. Now let's move further towards your bedroom space. So your master bedroom is on the other side and other 2 bedrooms are over this side. And now let's move further towards your bedroom number 1. So once you enter this passage area, on my left hand side is the bedroom number 1. And over here you can check out the beautiful work done with the bed space, the window for ventilation and lighting purpose. This is the TV unit space. And over here, the wardrobe space. The TV unit space is over this side. Now about your bedroom number 2, which is just exactly beside your bedroom number 1. So this bedroom has a lobby space. There is no direct bed space. And over this side comes your the bed space, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, the wardrobe space, and this bedroom has attached washroom as well with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So the interior of this room speaks out for itself that it is a kid's bedroom, and over here even they have added up the study table. Now moving towards your master bedroom, but before that let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour, with its sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free on Housey.com. And now about the master bedroom. So walking through this passage area. But wait a second, over this side is your common washroom. The common washroom where the sink is placed outside, with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And now crossing your living and the dining area, over this side is your master bedroom. And now this is the space. This is a spacious room in the house with a bed space. In fact, over here you can check out there is much more space. You can add up a wardrobe over here. Attached washroom is over this side, and TV unit space with a dressing area. So let me show you the attached washroom. With anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And now master bedroom has its attached balcony, and this is the balcony where you can check out with anti-skid tiles, that is wooden finishing flooring with the iron railing, and over here this is the land parcel. So how was this 3 BHK sample flight? Do let me know in the comment section below. And as you all know, we are here at TVS Emerald project. Have you checked another project with this builder? Again, do let me know in the comment section. And lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.